Good evening, my people. It is time for another edition of Mind Blowing Facts. All right, we're going to get right into it. Let me see. How do I want to present this? I'll just read it straight through. Here you go. When the universe eventually dies, there will be no more future and past. And I'm going to explain that. Or they're going to explain it. This is from bbc.com/future. Much like us, the way time passes changes will... wait. Let me restart this. No cuts on this channel. We just do it straight through. Much like us, the way time passes changes. What? Changes will change as the universe ages. I think they messed up. The arrow of time, which points from past towards the future, is thought to have its origins in the Big Bang. The infant universe is thought to have had very low entropy, a measure of disorder and randomness. Since then, entropy has been increasing. This change is what gives the arrow of time its directionality. It's the same reason it's easy to crack a fresh egg, but extremely hard to take a mess of shards and yolk and create a whole fresh egg. Basically, what they're saying is things tend to trend towards disorder. Like we get old, we decay. It's just it's just natural order of things. We don't stay young forever. Things don't stay together forever. They eventually break apart. Because, we don't know. I don't know if scientists know why that is, but things just trend towards disorder as time goes on. No one knows what will happen at the end of the universe, but a strong contender is heat death, where entropy will have reached a maximum and the arrow of time will lose its direction. Think of it as all the eggs in the universe being already smashed, and after that, nothing interesting will ever happen again. That's hard to comprehend, isn't it? I can't imagine it's nothing interesting happening or nothing happening at all. Can you? If you can below, explain that to me. But I'd love some insight on that. It feels like my speaker always turns off while I'm making a video. But I guess auto off is a good feature so my battery doesn't overheat and blow up. But I can't comprehend nothingness or nothing happening. And there's a philosophical question in there. Is nothingness, is that really nothing, or is that's still something? Is the presence of nothingness something at all? But let's find out more about heat death. I feel like they could have explained more about that. I know what it is, but for the people who don't, I'm gonna go ahead and break that now. I wrote death. I'm like, what? Okay. The heat death of the universe, also known as the Big Chill or Big Freeze, is a hypothesis on the ultimate fate of the universe, which suggests the universe will evolve to a state of no thermodynamic free energy and will therefore be unable to sustain processes that increase entropy. Basically, it's just saying no work will be able to be done. Nothing can happen because there'll be no thermodynamic processes. But man, I just wish I could see what that looks like, all these things, all these concepts and theories and things we read about with space, I gotta admit, 99% of them are meaningless because I can't comprehend it. I these objects are so massive, I can't understand how big they are, what they look like. But I just pray that I live long enough to get to the day. I'm about to end the video. I just pray that I get to live long enough. This is a life resolutions type thing. I pray. Hope and pray I get to live to the day where we can take interplanetary journeys in our lifetimes, because I just want to see what Jupiter looks like up close. This is my favorite planet, and it's the biggest planet in the solar system. It's the oldest planet. It keeps us safe from asteroids. It's like the dad of the solar system. I love this. Well, besides sun, obviously. Sun's more like a mother since it gives life. But I just want to see Jupiter up close and in person one day, just to see what would that look like. I'd like to see the Earth from outside of it. Everything's just so big. But that's the mind-blowing fact of the day, that nothing will happen in the distant future, trillions of years from now, quadrillions of years. I don't know what I can't comprehend that either. But man, the universe, just the scale of it, the time scale, it's all just insane. But let me know what you think below, and have a good rest of your night.